Hello. I want to share Dyson V8 Animal Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, Iron. About item: cord-free, hassle-free, powerful suction, washable lifetime filter. Up to 40 minutes runtime when using a non-motorized tool. Lightweight and versatile, for easy home cleaning. Instant release trigger means battery power is only used while it's cleaning. Requires charging for 4 hours minimum before first use. Direct drive cleaner head. Up to 8 minutes of fade-free power, in max mode. Drives stiff nylon bristles into carpets to capture deep down dirt. Designed to deep clean homes with pets. Whole machine filtration captures allergens and expels cleaner air than the air you breathe. Up to 25 minutes of working time with motorized floor tool attached. Get best price and discount. Click link in description. Like, share and subscribe for support my channel. See you.